So guys, welcome to H-QTV. So this is a video about BLUM Snapshot, and what does it mean? It means that when BLUM is going to a record of all your in-app activities for you to get the airdrop. So that is what snapshot means, and I'm also going to tell you some other things for you to know. So let me open the BLUM app. So once I open it, you are going to see a lot of things. You are going to see that the BLUM airdrop is live. So if you want to know if you are eligible, just click on it and click on check if you are in. So you are going to see some criteria: more than 100,000 BLUM points, have at least 750 MP or proof of activities, at least 2 referrals, and the last one, passed CB check. So that is the last one. So, and how do you even know that you are eligible for this airdrop? Apart from that, what will determine this airdrop is your BLUM points and your MP points. Primary meeting that is going to determine your token that they are going to give to you. So here is where you can earn a lot. So you can, once you click on social, you are going to see where you can earn BLUM points. Under on chain, you are going to see some tags under it. Under academy also, if you click on that, you are going to see their videos. So watch the video and verify and get the token. So BLUM Pit, there is a YouTube video. So you are going to see a lot of videos under BLUM Pit. So under friends, so if you invite more than 50 friends, you are going to earn at least like maybe 30,000 BLUM points. So if you invite more than 100 friends, that is more than 10,000 BLUM points that you are going to earn. And from farming also, so as you are farming, you are going to see some other things. If you farm more than, let me, for example, if you farm 40,000 MP, you are going to earn something like, so you are going to earn 40,000 BLUM points. And you are going to see, and under, and you are going to see some partnership. So I think this is partnership, people that they partner with, and you are going to see weekly. So by that, you are going to earn more BLUM points. And if you come to 100 friends here, you can, if you invite friends, click on points. Once you click on points, you are going to see, you can see 66 BLUM points. So I'm earning from the people that I invited. So make sure that you do all the tasks and you keep farming. So when is the even this snapshot going to take? So this snapshot happens at 0.00 UTC on June 7. So June 7 of next month, that is Friday night to Saturday. Mark your calendar. That is when eligibility gets finalized. But for now, you still have time to boost your stats and qualify. The higher your score, the bigger your airdrop might be. So that is just it, as you can see. So I think this is the end of this video. If you really enjoyed this video, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. So make sure that you subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in the next video.